Om Sai Ram. Hello guys, this is Yadnesh and right now I am outside Kalwa station. The reason I am here is because we are heading to Shirdi right now. So those who have been to Shirdi might know this, that the temple doesn't allow you with your cameras inside the temple, and also phones are not allowed, so I will not record anything inside of it. So this vlog might just contain the contents of this vlog maybe just me going to Shirdi and coming back from there. So I will just record anything I find interesting during the journey, and I will share it with you guys. So let's go. The time right now is 5:44. So as of now we have reached Asangao, and here's my father. He's coming with me too. So guys, we have stopped here for a little tea break. After this Kasara Ghat will be starting. So the visuals might be stunning there, but the thing is I'm sitting in the middle seat, so I won't be able to record most of them. So right now behind me is the main Sai Baba temple of Shirdi. I just took darshan inside it, and as of now there is the queue is very small right now. So the thing is I was not able to record much from the inside of the temple because cameras are not allowed. As of now Dwarka Mai is available, like open for public, and also the main temple is open for public. Also Chaudi and Hanuman Mandir and insides of the mandir like Shani Mandir are also open. So if anybody wants to come to Shirdi to take darshan, they can freely come here. But the thing is you have to register yourself online and book yourself some slots. So make sure you do that. And so right now you can hear the Dhoop Aarti going on behind me. Yeah, so that's the Dhoop Aarti that takes place during 12 o'clock here. So that's it for the vlog, because I was not able to record anything inside. Nobody is able to record anything inside because we are not able to take our cameras inside. Only the authorities are. So that's it. My father's with me.
Hello, Sai Ram.
So behind me you can see some people. Those are my father's colleague with whom I came here. So the thing is, while coming to Shirdi, we missed our road, and we came from some other road which went through the airport. Like we made a complete revolution of the airport and we came here. And the thing is now while going home, we came in from the original way. So the thing is, the roads in Shirdi are very bad. Like they're pathetic. There are a lot of potholes. Your car even might get damaged because of them. So my point is, Shirdi is such an important tourist location, as well as so many people from all over India come here, and the roads here are like pathetic. So what can you expect from the government, right? So I was trying to make a point over here.